In this video, I am going to share with you 5 SEO hacks that experts recommend for beginners to rank their websites #1 on Google. I will summarize the critical points recommended by top SEO experts such as Brian Dean, formerly of Backlinko and now Exploding Topics, and Matt Digity from Affiliate Lab. To rank your website on top of Google when starting can be challenging, but here is what you need to get started. Do keyword research. This can be seen as a cliché, but it is important and necessary. You need to know what your potential customers are looking for on Google and which keywords they use. This is what we call keyword research. Type into the Google search bar the most likely keywords you will be searching for if you were a customer. For example, suppose your business is for SEO marketing, you can try something like search engine optimization. Google automatically suggests the keywords people are looking for. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the Google search page and check the Related Search section. You will find some related long-tail keywords that can inform your keyword research. This is usually Google telling you that these keywords also matter. As a beginner, you can benefit from such keywords since they have low competition but have sizable traffic. Use the premium keyword research tools such as Ahrefs, Moz, or SEMrush to find the keywords that relate to your niche. Create blog content. Develop a blog using the keywords you selected in the previous step. Brian Dean recommends using 5 keywords that you sparingly sprinkle through your article. How to write great blogs. The truth is that there is not a new article 100%, people are already offering your service or product, but you need to provide helpful, relevant information to your customers. So ensure 1. You provide value to your customers. Establish yourself as a go-to expert with a well-researched article that will aid in their decision-making. 2. Be precise. Just provide the answer to the question without convoluting it. Experts show that Google ranks blogs that answer customers' questions instantly. Brian Dean states that it will only be read if your article is easily understood. If people keep bouncing off your website, Google will notice and not recommend it any further to other people looking for that information. It means you would have wasted time with a chance of ranking your website. Therefore, make sure that your article appeals to the reader by use plain English, assume that your readers have just a basic English language comprehension. Refrain from bombarding them with jargon and professional-level vocabulary. Trust me, no one will stay on that site, they will hop on to the next one that is friendly and simple. Use simple, clear, and visible headings. Ensure there is a differentiation between headers, titles, and any other content on your website. It makes it easy to read. Be brief. Only tell a few stories. Just provide a simple response and explanation to a question and be done with it. Arrange your article in a way that is pleasing to Google. A well-structured blog post will likely rank higher than a poorly structured one. A well-organized article has the following. A well-labeled title. The title should contain the keyword and should be specific. Have well-structured headers. Ensure that your article has headers in the form of a summary of what to follow. It helps your clients just to find what they are looking for with ease, and they can skim to get a solution to their problem. Short, well-summarized paragraphs. Let it be easy for someone to get a solution by just skimming through your paragraph. It makes people enjoy your articles and makes it easy for Google to crawl through them and suggest them to potential customers. Build backlinks. It is 2023, and backlinks are as crucial to Google's ranking as ever. Backlinks are other websites referencing the content on your page. Do you know what this means to Google? It communicates the following. A. Experience, that you are known and likely a person that knows what they are doing. B. Expertise, when other people refer to you, it shows that you have enough knowledge in your field and can be helpful to others who have a problem your work is solving. C. Authoritativeness, good referrals show that you are a leader in your niche. Matt Digity shows that if you get referenced by websites with high domain ratings, DR, it enhances your leadership in your niche, which helps you rank #1 on search engine results pages. Trustworthiness. When your website receives recommendations from others, it shows Google that you have fulfilled your obligation and are what you say you are. Thus, it will recommend you to most people seeking your offer. Well, that is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.